Top construction machinery is a comprehensive firm integrating engineering, machinery sales, and spare parts support. Our values of sincerity, diligence, cooperation, and flexibility make us a reliable partner. Our long-standing relationships with Chinese factories, along with expert technical support, ensure products are thoroughly checked and delivered safely and punctually. Be it parts or large machinery, we understand. Clients well through market research, frequent factory visits help us know Chinese suppliers, allowing us to source quality products at good prices. We strive to save you costs by negotiating discounts, yet never compromise on quality or service from pre to after sales. Our service is top-notch. Partner with us for great value without sacrificing quality.